I have a problem, and I know I have a problem, and I'm willing to admit it. I got too many projects. I'm trying to make progress on all of them, but when you have too many projects, you can't do it all. The Corvette, we still gotta strip it down, put a cage on it, the Foxbody. We have to rebuild that engine. Oh, and I hadn't even shown you all the suspension I have for the Foxbody. I've got a full Maximum Motorsports coilover kit to put on it still. The station wagon, we gotta put the engine in there. So I mean, we got a lot going on, so why not one more? Today, I'm gonna show you guys our 10-second car project. I was browsing the old book of faces the other day, and I saw a really eye-catching project that we can get into the 10 seconds. I had a spare boomstick in the cabinet, and a guy doesn't have a whole lot of cash to throw around. So I asked my fellow man if he would take the boomstick for his car, and he said yes. Why don't I show you guys this new 10-second car that we have? Oh, I think I'm showing you guys the wrong thing. There it is.
I said a 10-second car, not a 10-minute car.
This is a 19-something, like a 1988, 1991. It's a something, Most important part is it's a Foxbody. Owner said it's set up for an LS already. The guy had a 6.0 and a 4L60. I don't know, something like that. Let's take a closer look. Check out the bodywork on this thing. We've got Bluetooth door handles. That is for speed. Come around here, we got the GT wing with some extra weight reduction holes going on. That's good. Oh, don't have to bother with a lock for the hatch. Just stick a screwdriver in there. Oh no, you can't see, but that's okay. Wait, we got that radiator's supposed to be in the front. I think, I'm not the expert, but I'm pretty sure it is. Looks like we got nice fancy jegs axles, but only 2 lug studs. So that's nice. Oh, we are fully uncovered. We are naked rear back here. I'm sure that'll be good for the weather. Looks like we're missing some of the GT body kit over here, and I think I've done the body work on this car already. That's definitely me. Look how deep that is. You can't even see my fingernail. That's like 3/4 inch of Bondo. Well, I'll take that, That's that just means I can knock it out. We can go even faster. We've got a half Bluetooth. The door handle delete wasn't finished on this side. No side skirt. Man, this thing got custom can rust stains right here. Got a 5-gallon bucket stain up there. But really, the main reason to have the car is this sweet hood scoop cowl induction. Well, there's actually, we'll work on that. We'll work on that. Oh, wait. Did they? Well, I know you have to use some Bondo when you're putting a scoop on, but shouldn't there be a little bit more hood than Bondo on this thing? I don't know.
This sucks. I am so unhappy.
Listen, I know what you're thinking. Vasily, this is the biggest piece of garbage that you have. Why would you get this? Guys, I'm telling you, this is good. This is perfect. I can knock all the Bondo out, take out 150 pounds, be super light. And then set up for an LS. I have to put the cover on the diff. I mean, yeah, I gotta do that. Sure. I mean, that's nothing. Let's check out under the hood, and then you'll really see why this is a 10-second car.
Hey, pop the hood.
Pop the hood?
Pop the hood.
All right, I've got this precariously perched. Oh my God. That only weighs 300 pounds. All Bondo. Oh, son of a big block.
You could push this across the finish line or tow it.
Where the heck the engine go? I guess we're gonna have to do something about that. But it's got hinges that are more or less not connected. I mean, that's cool. They left the mounts for us. That's nice. Got a manual rack. Oh, well. No, that's a power rack. You know, it's solid, at least. I don't see much rust, so that's cool. Hey, still has the heater core in case. Hey, Frida, what the heck are you doing, bud? Leave it. Leave that tree alone. It's me. I'm talking to you. No engine. But hey, oh, dang, that one's missing a damn nylock. We got that one. But I guess that one didn't come with the car. I didn't read that in the ad. So that's why there's no radiator. Or that's why the radiator was in the trunk. So that's cool. Whatever. That's fine. I can get an LS from Junkyard. And then we'll make it go 10s like that. You know, there's an upside to this car. Check out the interior. It's got to be good. You know, it had an LS. It had to go fast. It's caged. Full racing seat, gauges, all that. It's gonna be perfect. Let's get this half Bluetooth handle working. Come on. There we go. Son of a big block. All right, first thing, electric windows. Now that's fancy. I like that. That's good. Got our gauge pods with one no gauge, one broken gauge. Fuse block is in excellent condition. One thing I can say, not jokingly, the floors look really good. Doesn't look like there's a lot of rust or anything. Got a drive shaft. That's doing us a lot of good back here. 456 rear gears and a rebuild kit. That's that's cool. Got some wood. Oh, nice. I can burn that. Oh, dude. I can add those to my rusty bolt collection. Oh, what's this? Oh, Jesus. Well, those are brake pads. Oh, I don't even have to open the boxes. A whole brake pad kit. Oh, with calipers too. This must be for 5-lug conversion kit for the front. That's cool. A whole power stop kit. And then look what it's sitting on. I told you. Race seat. That's the Jegs polyurethane carbon fiber aluminum oxide special right there. There's our dash. That's looking good. Oh yeah, that's good. I like that. Horn works. Meep meep. That's cool. Oh, how did I miss the super tack? Yeah. Where's my shift light? Do I have a shift light over here? Like I said, the floors look good. All joking aside, the floors look really good. I like that. Well, maybe I bit off a little bit more than I could chew, but
This will decimate all after you put about 15 grand in it or more if we have to. Overnight parts from Japan.
once I'm done chewing, it's gonna be good. I mean, just check that thing out. That is sweet. I don't know if I want to deal with that rear end right there. I've got a buddy, he's got some 30 spline axles, or 31 spline, I can't remember. He's got, I think it's a strange coilover setup for the rear. We might go with that. I'm gonna find a donor for an engine, and put a 5.3, 4.8, 6.0, whatever I can get my hands on in there. We're gonna drive it nationally aspirated. That's a new one. Hadn't heard that one before. Naturally aspirated. Then, to really go 10 seconds, slap a big turbo on it, send the rods to God and see what we can do. But this will be our 10-second car. Stay tuned for it. Become a Patreon. Send me money. Do whatever you gotta do to make this happen. Maybe if we get this thing going, and one of you guys wants to, if you're in the area, you can drive it. Whatever, I don't care. We'll see what happens. We'll see how I feel, you know? But seriously, thanks to everyone watching so far. And remember, go get them revs.